What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to day 301 of backtesting. I like the progress that I'm having with this stuff, and we are a few days away from finishing the series. Yeah, let's go to the version model 2018. It's the one that we've been doing. Just want to finish it, get it done, then maybe gather data from some other years as well. So without delay, let's get going. Righty. Let me remove this here. Let's go. Gonna do the next day open. Here I'm open 9:15. Now, how's the 4-hour looking like? Okay, okay, the 4-hour was tapped into actually. Let's go here. So, say we're trading into some sort of range kind of structure here. But let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour is also tapped into this high here. So like if this gap here could hold, now I could try out shorts like all the way to these lows kind of thing. So let's see if we can get that kind of thing. So gap here, that's 15-minute gaps holding. Okay, right at open, price stamps a little bit lower. Let's see how ES is going. Okay, I'd like to see it tap into a 15. Then if we're going higher, do go higher. So it looks like we just start dropping right away. Bang, it's low, and we also run this low here. Okay, let's look for the next possible retracement higher. Looks like we tapped. No, not in the 5-minute, not just yet. Actually, there's an SMT at these highs here. Okay, there's a 5-minute gap tap. Now, I mean, I'd like to see it, start distributing lower, because we've burst here and we had the liquidity run, but this is not the best entry. I'd rather wait or not take a trade at all. Now I also have this low here. So you can see price is holding bearish, and if this thing is dropping, obviously we are forming the power of 3. Look at where it opened. So I'd like to see it now more distribution higher, or a little more distribution higher before price could go lower. And as you can see, we tapped into a 5-minute gap, so I'd like to see price simply distribute lower through this fair value gap here. Yes, yeah, but then it's consolidating way too much. Look at this crazy SMT here. Okay, here goes the inversion. Then it's a little bit late. I mean, we can squeeze out some sort of like 1-to-1. Let's see, my stop will be somewhere like here. I'd like to take out like a 1-to-1 at least. Damn, we get stopped out right away. Okay, it's not bad. Let's wait for the next possible entry, right? Well, we're not in any kind of gap. Well, at least I think so. We were actually in a 4-hour, but we haven't tapped into this look here. We might tap into this 15-minute high before we start distributing lower. So if we're bullish, we'd like to wait for the next possible retracement. If we're bearish, then we should start simply displacing lower. So 5-minute adjusting burst right here. So I think we can take advantage of this and do some shorts. And yeah, well, because this candle is about to close, we might also be cautious about trying to do anything risky with it, because for example we will be so aggressive with trailing by having quick stops and stuff like that, because for example if it creates a 15-minute and taps into it, that's obvious indication the price will not go higher. Yeah, psych. Let's go to the next trading day. Looks like this one wasn't our day. So looks like we started displacing higher for some reason that I don't know. It's Thursday, into 4 hour. We are distributing higher from this 4 hour. I'd like to see price, price higher if we are truly bullish. Alright, I'd like to see like another lower time frame tap. Okay, so right at open, we drop lower. We might be creating some sort of SMTs. Yes. And bang, we shoot heavily high. Okay, there's an SMT at the highs, but I still think price could be potentially bullish. We have an SMT now at this low here. So like to wait and see how this one behaves. Alright, so the 2-minute looks like it's just burst in the 1 minute as well. There's gaps. Checking the 15, we are closing well, so I think this wouldn't be a bad opportunity to take if we try out longs and have my stop somewhere here, and see if price could head to these relatively equal highs like 1.66. Crazy stop out. Then price heads all the way to take profit. Come on, this is rigged, very very rigged. I don't think I should have put, even if I would put my stop here, I would get stopped out anyways. But well, I was planning to put some break even here, but okay, it's not looking good at all. Let's see probably what will happen in the rest of the hours, but so far it's looking bullish. You can see how the previous 4 hour kind of closed, so it's a bit of a PO3 thing. 1 hour closed good as well, so maybe you might get a retracement, then try out longs, get a 5-minute gap retracement. Ooh, heavy drop actually. I should start recovering soon. Okay, we end up closing a little bit higher, so yeah, this is good. Can try longs on this inversion here, somewhere here. I'll have my stops here and probably target like these highs, 1.22 hour. Nah, don't tell me I take profit by how many ticks. Half a point, bro. You know it's half a point. Damn, this is heavy. Half a point. But this is the original draw, so I think you should actually even close here. there's no reason to hold for something that big if I know that in these kinds of conditions. But either way, bro, why would price move like this? Because I know I would close at break even. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Uh, well, this was a tough day, I'd say. Let's go to the next trading day. Yesterday was a crazy bullish day, and you can see that actually also had a good crazy PM session move, retracement into this good 1 hour fair value gap, and then I don't know, was this like Nvidia earnings or something? Because that's when price does these kind of crazy moves. Anyways, we have relatively equal highs at these Asia highs right here, so I think maybe price could roll to those. And checking the 15, we are retracing into a fair value gap, so I'd like to see price simply start displacing higher. So we're still dropping heavily, crazy inversion. Oof. Okay, this is a crazy tap into the gap, but I'd like to see it start going higher now. Five, okay, get a 5-minute gap tap, so we wait. But the 15-minute closed heavily bearish, so we'd rather wait. To tap into the 5-minute, then we heavily drop. So the 4-hour closed extremely bearish. Well, bro, I don't know why, but I think price is going to displace lower. Okay, so we have London low spot. Wait, this is Friday. So what draws is this thing heading for? I don't know. Got a 15-minute gap tap. I don't know if price is going to start displacing higher or what. Okay, let's go to the next day. Looks like we might have a back-to-back losses if we continue this. So we have a good inversion here. So we might actually start displacing lower, but I'll look for what the 1 hour is doing. We have a 4-hour here. Now the 1 hour should probably displace lower. Crazy open, looks like the Asia lows just got run right away. So looks like we're gonna start displacing higher, right? Yeah, 4-hour gap tap, and now we've started. Let me wait for the next PO3. Okay, 5-minute gap retracement. Bro, this is not a good 5-minute close. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. You should start going higher now. Okay, I think the 3-minute has the best gap. 3-minute, entering on the 3-minute. Yeah, something like this. I try out once, move to break even once we tap into this 5-minute. Very quick break even. Then target this high. This will be the kind of trade, 1.68 hour trade. Yeah, this is a break even. It ends up drawing us, and you can see what's rejecting what 5-minute. So good decision of closing that. We'll have some relatively equal lows left behind here, which is some sort of an SMT for ES, but we'll see. Have to wait and see. Let's go to the next new game session. So going on the daily, looks like we have started displacing lower. So the 1 hour is displacing lower. We have some lows here from some previous day, but either way, since price is looking bearish, we have to find some bearish draws, right? So right at open, we tap into the 15-minute gap. So I'd like to see it to go lower. Okay, 5-minute has closed. Checking the 1 hour, I mean, I don't see significant gaps here. We'll have a 4 hour here. We could probably displace here as well. So you can try out longs at this inversion. There will be like there will be some kind of like reversal longs, but we just wait and see. Nah. I would have loved to see these London highs get tapped into. This was a good run though. So crazy break even, but this was a good trade though. New York AM session again. So looks like prices is racing higher for some reason. We have these gaps here. A good fair value gap here. So let's see if we draw here, but I'm not gonna draw it from the daily gap because obviously by the looks the 1 day and 1 hour are very different time frames. So Asia lows now. So we raced into this fair value gap right here. Let's see if price will displace lower. So right at the open, price runs the Asia low. We have a 5 minute here. Terminal was a very beautiful inversion here. This high zero will be some good draws. 9:30 open will be my draw. And this is where I'll be moving to break even. So 2-hour trade. Okay, closure above. So if these 5 minutes inverse, then yeah, we'll lose the trade. No way, come on. Bang, finally. Oh, this took years. This almost took years. Okay, very good draw actually. These relatively go highs were also good, but I wanted the 9:30 high. Let's go to the next trading day, new KM session again. Crazy inversion. Have some rolls here. 1 hour is displacing lower. Right at the open, run here. Let's see if we can embrace 4. Let's see. Well, this 4-hour candle closure is good because yes, we still have draws lower. Would have loved another retracement higher, but I think this one was enough because we had a good run. So we'd enter on this for our 4-minute close, and let's see if we can extend all the way to these lows here for a 2-hour. This is gonna be a break-even trade. Okay, break-even trade. So it looks like it might be about to reverse and start going higher. So it's a 5-minute gap retracement, but I'd like to see it go lower though. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. We inverse the 5-minute. This is not gonna be a good 5-minute close. I'm gonna do shorts instead. Let's try out shorts again for a 2-hour. Okay, break even. Okay, bang, trade his take profit. So yeah, should simply make things simple and not force anything, because it's easy, man. It's easy. It's just that, bro, I need to grow the patience it takes. I need to grow the patience it takes, because, bro, it's easy. It can be this easy, bro. It can be this easy. Look at this liquidity run. Look at this beautiful inversion, bro. What else? What else? Nigga. Okay, we just got a good 2-minute inversion. You can see that after this 2-minute inversion, we can try out shorts. You can see it maybe go all the way to these lows. Bang, break even. That's a break even. Okay, well, not bad. This was good. We managed to get a win and a break even. Let's go to the next trading day, New York AM session. Tapped into this sort of new day opening gap from Friday, and we are trading inside of range, and now we tapped into a 1 hour gap, which is sort kinds of looks like a BPR, but honestly I think price could draw to these highs. These highs are looking good after this liquidity run here, so I would generally like to wait for a move higher. Trade at open, get a 5-minute gap retracement. Oof. It's an aggressive move, to be honest. I mean, I would like to wait for this 5-minute to close, then take longs, because this would look so premium. Let's wait for retracement. Okay, there it goes. Well, can make it like this, take it 1-to-1 kind of structure thing here. Okay, let's see. We'll move to break even one row there faster, and break even. Okay, very beautiful move. I mean, it's gonna even continue higher, I believe. Bro, look at this beautiful trade. Yeah, well, we should learn how to close partials and make sure to, how do I say it? Capitalize most on the trades, because some days we'll get good trades like this where you can make tons and tons. So that's a lesson. New York AM session the next day. But what's this position here? Okay, today was a very beautiful displacement day, ended up running these highs. Today could potentially also be bullish, so I like to see price probably like run this high here. We have an unfilled gap here, so it's crucial. Checking the 1 hour, like to see price like draw to these lows as well. There's also Asia lows, so we just wait and see what happens at open. Right at open, we tap into the lows, so we get a 2-minute inversion. It's a 3-minute as well. No, it's a 2-minute actually. Yes, 2-minute inversion right here, so you can try longs. Like to target these highs here. Yeah, break even right here. I mean, I would like even to close it here because I think this is it's not a very strong high, but bang, very good take profit. How many minutes? 7-minute trade. You see why I should execute? I should be confident in my bias. This is why I should be confident in my bias, to be honest, because this trade look how perfectly it formed, like right at open. Anyways, let's see, we'll form another retracement for longs. Okay, so right at the open, okay, we just get a good inversion right here. So it's a 5-minute gap retracement and a 15, and we have a good drawn liquidity, so we might try out longs. Stop will be around at this low, 1.33 hour trade. Ooh, this is not good. Oh, okay, this was the 5 minutes. So according to the strat, if we tap into this 5 minute, this will be already a no trade, because why would I trade when price is in the 5 minute, unless if it inverses that 5 minute. Okay, it's a good close after a good liquidity run, and I didn't like to see another wake out, so at this high right here, break even, and here goes the break even, and bang, take profit hits, just like that, good old trades. So the next New York AM session, okay, we have a previous daily high here. Still think price is bullish. 1 hour liquidity, very beautiful liquidity run. We tapped into a 1 hour gap, but I'd like to see price generally head higher, even though we are in some sort of gap. So right at open, we manipulate lower. I'd like to see if here we inverse, but we inverse quite far. Oof, that's a heavy drop. Okay, then looks like we're staying in the side of this gap. Let's wait and see. Nah, not a good 15-minute close, and obviously it's not gonna be a good hourly close, because it looks like we're gonna run this low here. Here's the low, got run. We got this very small. How big is it? Nah, half a point. Not really necessary in my opinion. Okay, we tap into the 15-minute. Okay, here's a very good inversion. I think we can try shorts on it and see if price just displaces lower. We had a good 15-minute gap retracement, and well, we could get it move lower. So I belong to you. And you belong to me too. Oh, make my life complete. I'd like to see this 15-minute close above. Yes, this is a very beautiful close and a very crazy SMT that is inside a 4-hour gap. So, well, if we try out longs, it will be like a 15-minute gap long. So it will take time. I mean, that would obviously mean that we would hold it even during the PM session. Let's see. Pretty steady high. Quite a high target for a 2.35 hour trade. Let's see if it gets stopped out. And then it goes higher. Wow. Okay, some crazy consolidation. Yeah, looks like there was nothing to trade this day. Yeah, nothing clean. Let's go to the next trading day, New York AM session. Price is still displacing higher, which is terribly great. Even though we failed to run this previous day highs and these other bullish draws on liquidity, so I don't know, man. I don't know. So going on the 1 hour. Excuse me. Right. Okay, so maybe we should start displacing higher. Let's wait for the open, like run on liquidity. So right at open, drop lower, push higher extremely fast. So I didn't manage to get any entries there, but I do think it's going to go higher, and it fails. Let's wait for the next inversion entry. Okay, it's a good 2-minute close. I think we can use this 2-minute close here. Enter here, stop here, take a profit here. Alright, so looks like the stream was buffering. But yeah, let's get going. Looks like YouTube is also glitching as well. Bro, my internet keeps disappointing me every single time. I don't know why my stream health is not looking good. Alright, so we're still trying out longs, but then we got absolutely jewed. Okay, got another beautiful liquidity run. I'd like to see price displace higher. We get a good perfect gap support. Let's see price runs liquidity, displaces higher. Looks like it's respecting this pivot gap, and we are creating a change in state of delivery. We trace into that change in state of delivery and we shoot higher. I mean, it's like I'm commentating on price right now, but it's obviously fun. And we get another good 5-minute close. Well, it's just that I decided to enter on inversions, but there could have been a good entry here as well on this pivot gap rejection here. Let's try out longs again. So stop will be right here, take profit. Bro, we're getting 1-to-1s only these days. Let's see if price actually displaces, and looks like it displaces against us to stop us out. Well, things are easy and easy. Let's go to the next New York AM session. Okay, it's not looking good. We have good run liquidity, 1 hour. It is displacing higher. Good fair value gap here. We have I don't know what price is doing, but it's 2018, so price is not pricing at all. But actually this was a good 30-minute gap tap. It's just that didn't get no inversions to enter on. Let's see, we're creating some liquidity here, didn't run it. I mean, what is price doing with us? It wants to play with us today. No good trading day, but the draws, bro, they were slapped, literally slapped. Next game session, daily, we're still displacing her. Let's do this day and see how the day goes. 4 hour, we're displacing higher, that's good. 1 hour, nothing just yet. 4 hour is unfilled gap, inversed 1 hour, so I'd like to see maybe first gets presented as well. Okay, there's a 15-minute gap retracement, I believe. Yes. This was crazy. We'll have a crazy SMT here. Yo bro, what's good Alex, how are you doing? Okay, so it looks like price terribly wants to go higher. Well, we missed this 4 hour gap, so I think price is going to displace higher probably. Let's see if these 2 minute inverses, and it does inverse, and it's a 5 minute tap here. Now we have this high here. Let's see, there are 2 possible draws. So these will be the possible entries, but it's kind of late, but we'll wait and see. It's a very small trade. Okay, let's move to break even right here. And price moves slowly and ends up stopping us out, which makes sense because there is a very crazy SMT at these highs. So price ends up chopping us up, but it's not the end. Looks like it's the macro redistributing, because either way we're still bullish. We managed to run this London low and then we started displacing higher, and we ended on this continuation long. So it looks like we might be repricing for price to continue higher, but I would like to wait for more confidences before I take any trade. Nah, I'm not gonna trade anything more than this trade here this day. Let's go to the next trading day. I wouldn't like to trade any kind of reversal trade. Now checking the daily time frame, we are currently displacing good. Yeah, we're still displacing higher. We are in this huge gap. Checking the 1 hour, we are this very beautiful gap here. So I'd like to see price create new highs. Now checking the 15-minute, we've burst right here. I'd like to see price create the next retracement for me to try out longs. Okay, right at open, price shoots higher and heavily higher actually, and taps into take profit. So I wanted to see if the 5-minute does manipulate this low. It looks like it failed to do so, and it is take profit right away. So let's wait and see if maybe we might find something else on this day. So 5-minute gap retracement. Okay, now I get a 15-minute. Then we inverse here. So after this 15-minute, I think we can consider, well, we have this small gap here and another small gap here. Wait, how big is this? How big is it? It's around 25. Nah, it's not that big. But either way, I think price was going to displace lower. You can see this was a good 9-point move. By the way, I don't think the size of the moves would matter because, well, bro, it's 2018. Price is gonna move very small points, so it would have made sense to enter at this gap here. Let's take longs. Okay, there it goes. And bang. Okay, another 15-minute gap retracement. Okay, this is not a good move here. Yeah, this is some crazy drop. Either ways, this was a good trading session, good backtesting session. See you all tomorrow. Shout out to everyone who showed up. Shout out to Alex. Have a great time.